My name is Nguyen, and I'm a dentist at Virginia Family Dentistry. I wanted to become a dentist really because of first impressions. If someone has work that needs to be done, sometimes people get fixated on their teeth and not the important things about them, like their personality or their skills. When I look at people and I see teeth that are not straight, teeth that need work, I want to fix them. And I want everyone to have a nice smile. A lot of people have a fear of coming to the dentist that kind of stops them from coming. But when they come to me, I feel like taking time to explain everything and let them know it's not going to hurt, their teeth aren't as bad as they make it out to be, that I'm proud that I can make a patient comfortable and treat what they need to get them on their way. I graduated from VCU in 2020, and since then, I've been doing a lot of training on placing implants and restoring implants. I enjoy replacing missing teeth and rebuilding a patient's smile so they're comfortable with who they are. I joined Virginia Family Dentistry in 2020. I really like the fact that there are many other doctors here and specialties, so that when a patient comes in, I discuss with other dentists and specialists to come up with a treatment plan that will treat the whole mouth, not just one or two things. Outside Virginia Family Dentistry, I'm also a Naval reservist. I'm married with 4 children. We spend a lot of time fishing, running, doing yard work. We have a small garden in our backyard, so we grow lots of fruits and vegetables. It's always a blast, but it takes up a lot of my time.